Education could be helpful when you're learning. And if you learn with education, you'll get skills. And those skills, you can use it for a good life.
My favorite subject would be art because I like making crafts a lot at home.
I love to learn about numbers and math.
I like adding, subtracting, dividing, and multiplying.
All the sides. My favorite subject's math because I just feel happy when I do it, and it's fun to, when I study, it feels like it's fun.
My favorite subject to learn is art.
Science is a very interesting subject because it includes space, and I love space because it's very fun.
My favorite subject is social studies, since you learn about the world and our past so we can improve the future.
I learned how to play soccer in gym. 3D shapes.
I learned about these types of diseases like rabies, cancer, and how to stop it and what causes it.
I learned mean, median, mode. It's in math. It's we have to do divide numbers.
Yeah, benchmark angles from in math.
I think maybe math tricks.
Adults can learn more about coding because those are new things adults didn't learn before.
Even languages. Sometimes even my sister, she tries to teach my dad how to speak French.
I think parents can learn technology and coding.
If kids know how to do coding, they can teach them.
Learning to keep the peace that's in the world and make the world a better place.
To help other people. It means quiet and helping each other.
I think learning for lasting peace is to learn not to fight and not to attack each other or insult each other, just talk it out.
Making the world a better place, and making a world a better place is you have to do that by teaching people very good and very making them very smart and very kind.
Peace around the world and not harsh and screaming and other stuff, but peace and quiet, relaxation. When you're doing yoga, you're not being very harsh. You're sitting on the ground, crisscross applesauce.
Nurturing students to be global citizens prepares them for the future. As equal partners in education, they will define what the world will look like in years to come. And this requires education to be transformative, empowering, and community-focused, integrating our shared humanity into everyday learning. Students have the ability to imagine endless possibilities towards a promising and peaceful future. And this future isn't that far off. It's not 10, 20, or even 30 years away. The future is now. On January 24th, International Day of Education will be celebrated around the world under the theme, Learning for Lasting Peace. The work educators do with students today prepares them with the skills and tools they need to shape their futures. And it also helps to promote a more equitable and peaceful world. That's why it's important to allow for innovation and creativity in learning, giving students the real-life experiences and opportunities to express themselves and to learn to thrive in teams. Educators play an important role in motivating students to be change makers and to use their diverse voices and agency to advocate for lasting peace.